Okay. Great. Okay. Yeah, so I'm Jan. I do design in ownCloud, as you might have heard from some other people mentioning in their slides. I'm not actually going to do an ownCloud design talk because there is a workshop later for that in the second slot. I'm going to show a bit of the ownCloud community apps or what other people did who can't attend today. Because I think it's really important also from a design point of view or from a user experience point of view, because they're working on some really cool stuff. So the first thing is a Tasks app by Raimund Schlüssler. It's a new Tasks app. It doesn't look like ownCloud apps yet, or not that much, but we're working on that. It already works with the existing CalDAV sync. So yeah, you can already basically use it. And we already have it in the ownCloud organization, so we're about to hook it up to Transifex and Travis and all that stuff. And so, yeah, I'm really looking forward to get that really integrated because it already works pretty well. Like you can drag and drop tasks around, you can add details, and it's already very well made. Then another thing is chat. This is just this is not the newest screenshot, so I also don't have any user photos set, but basically it allows you to very easily chat with people on the same ownCloud installation. And as you see in the currently selected thing, it's also for group conversations, so you can have a group conversation with multiple people on that same ownCloud. And planned is, of course, also using the federation mechanism of ownCloud, so you can actually chat with people on other ownClouds. And also to integrate other protocols in the future, like XMPP or whatnot. But that's just future plans. And LED Fan is working on that. That's Tobia. He's in the Netherlands. And Ruchita couldn't be here. She's also participating in outreach program for women, like Lindsay. And she's working on a read later app. So basically something that allows you to store web pages and for reading later. So it's very similar to the bookmarks app. So we're trying to merge that in a way. And the important part about this is, of course, a local app, like a mobile app, with which you can actually have the items offline. So we're working together with the people of the Wallabag project, which you might know, to use their clients or to combine it with their clients, so you can connect to a Wallabag server or your own cloud. Then another thing, my own notes, there's 2 or 3 folks from an organization called iKit from Switzerland or Austria, I think. They're doing a notes app for iOS and Android. So very similar to Peter, but also on Android. And I also like it very much. And it syncs also with the notes app. So pretty cool, simple notes app. Then what I'm personally very excited about, because I find myself using Google Maps and other map solutions a ton because they really work well, is a Maps app, an integrated Maps app. Right now it's not super polished, but it can do stuff like showing points of interest. It does routing already. This is car routing, so you see it's not the ideal route for going by foot to get to the nearest ATM, but it uses tiles from OpenStreetMap. And it uses the leaflet library to display the map, and for routing it uses the OSRM, open source routing machine, all open source projects you've probably heard of already. And if you see here in the corner, you can also display contacts, like your contacts on the map. And as Georg was saying, like there could be like display of events on the map, like if events are in the next 30 days or something. Other big maps companies do that, so. It's a basic Maps app, and I really think it's important that you have, especially the spatial data, like where you are, where you want to go, that you don't give that to any big providers, because that's very, very personal, especially the position where you are right now. So there's loads more on this wiki page. I hope every of your applications is already listed. There's a ton of them on there, a ton of third-party apps, and if I forgot it, just add it in the specific category. I want to quickly mention like some other apps of people who I thought would make it, but they didn't. One is ownDrop. It's only an OS X app, but it makes it very simple to quickly share files. So you basically have an indicator in the top right in the bar, and you simply drag a file in there, and it automatically uploads it, shares it, and gives you the share link back into the clipboard. So you only drag the file, and you can paste the link anywhere. So that's very cool. And the integration with GNOME Online Accounts. As you might know, we're working a lot with GNOME to get all the apps very well integrated into GNOME, like calendar, contacts, files, music, notes, maps, mail, whatever. Right? So that's what we're working on.